The Ride to the Snowy Ride is an adventure ride from Bowral to the Snowy Mountains, organised by the Tenere Tragics group. All bikes and skill levels are welcome, including a few little Honda 250s.
On our ride to the Snowy Ride, we're moving from Bowral, trying to take the back roads and dirt roads all the way through to Redbow, but I'm going to stop at Berrydale.
After some forestry roads, country back roads and a few short highway sections, I discovered that my front wheel wasn't entirely straight. I had been rushing to get my new CRF set up with some better tyres, and in the process, it seemed the spokes weren't tight enough to handle the force of levering on the new tyre. It was actually surprisingly smooth in a straight line, but not so good on corners. I decided to take it slow at the back of the pack and get to Cooma, where I could get the wheel straightened. I met a guy named Andrew who's fairly new to off-road riding on his 250 Rally. We still had a great time riding at a slightly slower pace while getting used to navigating via route sheets and taking in the amazing scenery. As the day went on, a strong wind started to blow, which made me very glad I had my homemade screen on the 250L. Andrew and I left the official route at Numarella to take the sealed road into Cooma. After a brief chat, we needed to get back on the road to try and beat the approaching storm. The guys at Tenere Motorcycles were good enough to get my wheels straightened up on the spot. It was a Friday afternoon before a big motorcycling weekend, so I can't thank them enough. It was more of an adventure than I'd planned, but it was definitely a great day on the bike. I found some new riding buddies and made it to my accommodation, ready and keen for another big day tomorrow. Thanks to Clubby and all the Tenere Tragics for a great ride.